Welcome to Njambiz tutorials. Welcome to Njambiz tutorials. On this channel, we learn about digital marketing tutorials, branding, and business. And as much as this looks like a new channel and this looks like the first video on this channel, please note that this is not my first video on digital marketing, branding, and business. I've been doing this on my old channel, Njambiz, this right here. And as you can see, I've been mixing up personal videos and digital marketing videos. So I've decided to separate the channels. As you can see, I had a digital marketing, branding, and business playlist, which has 43 videos on Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, advertising tutorials. So check that out on my channel, Njambiz. And I have put a link to that playlist on my new channel. As you can see here, digital marketing, branding, and business. So you can check out those videos on my channel as well through the playlists on the homepage. Here you go. Then you can watch all those videos. But as we begin this new channel, since the separation, the conscious uncoupling of the channel, the conscious uncoupling of the channel, I want to teach you today how to schedule or schedule, depending on where you're coming from, how to schedule Instagram posts. Now, this is a very handy tool if you're a digital marketer or a business owner who does their own digital marketing, their own social media management. It's a very good tool because it allows you to schedule content in advance and then focus on your business and focus on other things. Create the content, schedule it, and have it post automatically. This is definitely a good tool to have. So before we begin, remember to subscribe to my new channel, Njambiz tutorials, right here. Subscribe to my new channel. If you haven't, you can also subscribe to my old channel, Njambiz, for personal videos, motherhood, and all that good stuff. So you can subscribe to both my channels for content every single week on each channel. So let's get started on this tutorial. Now, for you to be able to schedule an Instagram post, your Facebook page and your Instagram page need to be linked. I've already showed you how to link the two in the previous video. I'll link it in the description box. I'll also put it somewhere on the top right corner right now. The video is called How to Create Instagram Ads within the mobile app, and within that I showed you how to link the two. I'll put that video in the description box in case you don't know how to do that. You can start with that, then come back to this. So once your pages have been linked, Instagram and Facebook, come to your Facebook page. I'll use Njambiz tutorials for this and all other tutorials I'll be doing, so follow the page as well to see some of the fun things we'll be doing with playing around with the different platforms. I'll go to publishing tools on the page. This feature has come with the new look Facebook. The classic Facebook layout or UI didn't have this previously, but with the new look Facebook, you'll get this feature. So once you go to publishing tools, go to scheduled posts on your left right there, and then at the very top right you can see create post, and click on that. So once you're here, if you had connected your Facebook and Instagram page previously on the old Facebook, it asks you to reconnect again. So just click reconnect and confirm. That's pretty much it. And as you can see, it's giving me the option of where to place the content I'm about to schedule, and already it's selected Facebook because I'm on Facebook. So I'll go ahead and select Instagram as well. Type in my post real quick. So I've finished putting in my text, I'll add an image I had already prepared for this and attach that image that will post on both Instagram and Facebook. So remember to keep your dimensions Instagram friendly, preferably 1080 by 1080, so that it's a nice square image, comes out on Instagram perfectly. Let's continue. You can enter your location, that is optional of course, if you want to enter the location and then what you're feeling. But this is only supported by Facebook again. So these are not selectable at the moment because I've selected both Facebook and Instagram. As you can see, I cannot click on this. This would be selectable if I had only selected Facebook to schedule the post on. So now that I'm done, you can go through your image is fine, or images if you want more than one. Your image is good, your text is fine. So you can go ahead and now click the drop down button and say schedule post, and you can also publish that directly. If you click on publish right here, let me just show you. If you click on publish, it will publish immediately, and it will publish both to Facebook and Instagram. So that's also a good way to publish on both platforms on your PC if you want to. But if you want to schedule it for a future time, you can go ahead and say schedule post. Let's say right now it's 12:37. Let me put it for 1 p.m. and schedule. As you've seen, you can only schedule from 20 minutes ahead of time. You cannot schedule 10 minutes ahead of time. That wouldn't make sense. So you can schedule from 20 minutes all the way up to 7 days in advance. So I'll go ahead and schedule that. As you can see, schedule post, click on that. So once you click on schedule post, you will not be able to see your scheduled posts under scheduled posts on publishing tools on the Facebook page. So you want to go to business suite. You can click this right here, try business suite, to view your scheduled posts from there. So here we are at the very top. You can see under post, you can see published and scheduled. You go to scheduled, you'll see your scheduled posts. Here they are for 1 p.m. both Instagram and Facebook as 2 separate posts. And if you wanted to make any changes to this, you can do that. You just click on it. For example, if I want to reschedule this, I can just click on reschedule to put it at another time. If I wanted to delete the post and I don't want it to go online anymore, I can delete that. And that's pretty much it, people. And you can also create the scheduled posts from the business suite, which is business.facebook.com. Here, create the post and schedule it from here as well. So that's it, people. That's how you can schedule a post on Instagram and Facebook from your PC. Easy peasy. From your PC, and it's easy peasy, people. So don't get stuck with having to post at a very specific time. You can just schedule it to go up at whatever time you want it to go up. And because I want you to see that this works, I will actually pick up this video again at 1 p.m. or 1:01 after the post has automatically posted, and then I can show you that on both Instagram and Facebook before we close out this video. So hang tight. Are we back? Oh yeah, we're back. It's currently 1:07. I have slacked a bit. Let's go to my channel. As you can see right here, the post is up, and it went up 7 minutes ago, which was exactly at 1 p.m. My post has posted. This is on Facebook. So my post is up on Facebook, and let's take a look at Instagram. We'll just refresh this as well. As you can see, my post went up. It's posted successfully. So the post has gone up on my wall on both Facebook and Instagram, and ta-da, there we go. So yes, follow me on Twitter on Instagram, on Facebook, Njambiz Tutorials. I'll be sharing other small tips and tricks on that as well, for short videos about a minute and so on. I'll be sharing those on my pages, so follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Those two will be the most active. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram for those tips and tricks on digital marketing, branding, and business. And of course, like this video. Please like this video. Like this video if you enjoyed it, if you learned something new. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button as well. Subscribe for more digital marketing, branding, and business tutorials and tips and tricks on this channel. And leave a comment below. Let me know if this video was helpful. Let me know what else you'd like to see. I have a lot of content on digital marketing tutorials on my other channel, which you can also access through this channel. When you go to the home, as you can see right here, the playlist for the digital marketing, branding, and business videos is here from my previous channel. Check that out as well. Subscribe to Njambiz for personal life, motherhood, and me videos. And I'll see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.